Alright, take two. This better work. Okay. Everything should be good now. Yeah, well, I have mine set to... Oh, mine's at 10,000. Okay, this should work. Just gonna pause those and get back to work. Will this work? Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Whoa, wait. That's weird. Oh, perfect. So this isn't even done yet. Why is this showing up? Okay, I think I actually do need this to be equals to. Let's see, what else am I doing? Oh yeah, I love my little slick animations. They actually make sound. Pretty sick. Let's see, do I have audio off? Yes. Okay, I need to fix that. The progress bar. Why is there a progress bar? Chapters. The current frame rate is too high. What? I swear, I've never had this problem where I had to adjust the FPS. Okay. So here I have a set fill. Okay, do we use this? No, we don't. So when I complete a task, I have to call, it's through the chapters controller. Check task. So let's see, I need to call, this is static, yeah. Oh, we have a static void refresh. Refresh chapters. All right. Help me out. Autopilot. Oh wait, why do I have it disabled? Oh, that's better. cannot type today. Has chapters. I dot get completions. Get task count. Oh beans. Oh, no reference. Our fill doesn't exist. Stage 8. Template resource. Oh my goodness, it's Flame. How's it going? It's the Gua, the one and only. Where's my prefab helper? Template. Doing good myself. I'm finally having motivation to do some work, so I decided to live stream. Just working on some minor UI things that are probably not as important as the actual update itself, but I'm just obsessed with making the game look good, so. So what's our issue here? Oh, this is null, that's right. Yeah. Probably make a constant for this. Thank you. I'm very happy with it. Once I add more animations and all like transitions and stuff, it'll look real nice. Like all of these. Oh, I forgot there was sound. Like this just looks very satisfying. I'm just trying to make this like as satisfying as possible. Oh, why are we getting yelled at? This might be a problem. I keep having to add these null checks. I might just do. Instead of creating this, I will just use. The current chapter is 1. We only want 1 chapter to show up. I could just get rid of this. Yeah, one of my friends messed around with some website and he created the sound effects for me, so seems like he's very interested in creating more sound effects for the game. And I'm also trying to find a music guy. Alright, I'm in touch with one so far. Just kind of pricey, so I gotta like think and hopefully get what I want. I kind of want some, I don't know if you can hear the music, it might be too quiet, but I just want some like space ambient like this. I will probably keep in-house music. I mean, yeah, it's definitely not everyone's favorite, but maybe I can have like a playlist system or something like that. Getting slightly here, okay. Anyways, did I fix my problem? I did. Cool. Alright, so now I need to, I lost my save because I somehow accidentally broke the save system like this morning, so now I can now I have to redo all of this, try to get back to where I was. Also, I'm on the fence about like this little thing here. Yep, I fixed it. It was just one of my verification things broke and it never gave me an error. Oh yeah, there's also the tooltips, or the toasts is what they're called. Little pop-ups. Ping, ping, ping. Craft orange. Yeah, so this is supposed to be the replacement tutorial system. So you're kind of supposed to just follow these tasks. I hate that word. It's just one word I can't really pronounce right for some reason. I think the only problem is that like it is more like open-ended, right? You kind of have to figure it out on your own. But I still feel like I need to have some form of like pointers, like, hey, check out the chapters, make sure you're completing these, and yeah, there's a lot initially. I'm obviously gonna clean up some of these, get rid of any unnecessary ones, but yeah. Yeah, it was this little pop-up thing where I can switch between resources and chapters. Yeah, that's a good idea. Now that I have like, now I have a better system for these pop-ups that I have. It'll definitely make it a lot easier. So, yes. I do have to like play around with this. It looks a little funny if it's this way. Ooh, actually, I have an idea. Thank you. Yeah, I love the little pop-ups. Only problem is that it like goes through everything. So when you have like maxed out crafting or crafters, it just like you see the text like everywhere. It's kind of funny, but I want to do like a little keybind system to make this game like a little more like where you can play with only a keyboard if possible. Maybe add like a little command line. I think that'd be cool. Kind of like how the new game Lethal Company has their little terminal where you have to like type to go to places. I think that concept's really sick. So I think like if you could just type like go accelerators or just little cool commands and stuff. Maybe write scripts and stuff, but I need to focus on the actual game itself first. Oh shit. I'm out of red. So Flame, what have you been working on? Any new projects? Oh, you can also... Oh, I forgot about this. I'm not supposed to see that yet. That doesn't work. Yeah, that is probably true. Probably treat this game like a file directory. I think that would be kind of cool. It's like you're in the Flask directory, and then there's the crafting and the research, and each of those you can do cool stuff. I think that'd be sick. I've been working on an incremental called Ordinal Pringle, slowly but surely. It's kind of a remake of Ordinal Markup, but I make stuff better and add new stuff. I like the name. Ordinal Markup is just one of those games I could never dive into, so if you can make it better, then that's a win. Oh, I should add a little unlock button there. Oh, really? That's nice. I mean, Markup already has a lot of content, so. Oh, I need to fix these little pop-ups. Oh, I also have a new addition to the stream. Hold on. It's my house ball. Let's see. I got the show because I've been obsessed and binge watching the show called House MD, or just House. But the main character, Dr. House, he has this ball that he just likes to throw in the air when he's thinking. So it's kind of like my thinking ball now. So if I'm stuck, I'm just gonna throw it. Maybe throw it at a wall. Ooh. That's dangerous, but it's fun. Wait, is that a window? Oh, whoa! That was not good. I don't even know what happened there. Oh, I am accidentally stuck in full screen mode. Oops. Okay, there we go. I accidentally entered full screen. I was stuck. But yeah, so this is quite fun. A little eye-hand coordination. Alright, anyways, alright, any plans to balance the progression to black ice flasks and black ice tubes, or do you think the balance is how you want it? Also, love the game, thank you for making it. Of course, I'm glad you love it. The entire ice system is being completely overhauled, so there will not be any limits, and the ice system is just going to be so much better. To put it short, I'm basically replacing it with a new ice research, so you can research like the ice flasks, and then you can also craft them. So there's an ice crafting, ice research, and ice mastery. So it's kind of like a new little layer of, you know, like the core concept of the game. So definitely more oh shit. Definitely more balanced and satisfying than the current system. And yeah, just an overall, it'll be so much better. But yeah, if you join the Discord, I've sent previews there in the past. I can actually show you real quick. Yeah, there's tons of screenshots here. Oh yeah, I added this before I started rewriting the user interface. Yeah, so we have our ice research. So pretty much the same as normal research, but with ice. And then we also have our mastery and crafting. Yeah. So new system, new game pretty much, honestly. Like the core is still the same, but there's just far more stuff to do. Let's see, what else can I unlock? This update will not add cylinders. Yeah, it's pretty much flasks and tubes totally redone. And I'm gonna like strongly encourage everyone to like reset because it'll be just a whole new experience. I'm adding more content for both, I think. But yeah, this is just a rewrite. The whole game is being rebalanced, retested, everything. And yeah, no cylinders. I have giant cylinders planned, but there's just so much to that. It's gonna be its own thing. The plan is when I eventually get this out in like maybe 10 years or so, who knows, I will start building the cylinders content, but what I'll probably do is like add features one at a time and then like soft cap like intentionally like, hey, this new feature hasn't been unlocked yet. I'm going to soft cap your progress so you don't go too far to the point where once the update's out, you're just gonna blow right through it and then you'll have to wait again. So I don't know. I'll have to you know, plan that out in the future, but right now I gotta focus on getting this update out. It's just taking so long. It's unbelievable. Oh, I forgot. I need to add little lore things to each color. No, no slash J. That's a serious comment because that's seriously how I feel right now. Like at this rate, I'm just gonna grow old by the time I update this because when I graduate, I'll have a job. I currently have another job, and so I just have like little time and motivation to like program after school and work. And it's like this is like a whole nother dedication. Hey Randall, thank you for subscribing. Doctor Who is my favorite TV show. Doctor Who. Oh, that's a 60s show. I haven't heard of it. Wait, is it actually a 60s show? 1963. Oh my goodness, 26 seasons? That's insane. Wait, this one says 2005. Oh, number of series 13 from, oh, first episode was 1963. 2005 to present. I see. That is true. I did my hardest to like not lose motivation, and I think I was successful at that. You know, like what's keeping me going is just like adding these little cool animations, just trying to make the game like feel fun and alive. It's like, you know, sure, maybe doing this is taking up a lot of time and it's like not allowing me to um finish the actual update, you know, that like this just gives me motivation and gets me something fun to do. So if I have a save system that's broken, I'm just gonna be like, oh yeah, I don't want to do that right now, and then just work on this, and then get back to it. I just need to get in the zone again. Okay, let's see. How many more? I need these two, and I'm gonna disable this notation. Oh, I forgot about the troll one. That is broken. So once I finish these, I can unlock new accelerator. Let's see. And now I wait. That needs to update. Okay. I see some flaws here. So this is the crafting manager panel. refresh component. Refresh crafting item selections. I don't want this to be private. And the navigation manager. If we are at items, then I'm just going to call, oh wait, research panel, oh that's that, okay, crafting panel dot refresh crafting item selections. Is that what? That doesn't sound right. Crafting panel. There we go. So yeah, my whole like refresh UI system is pretty strange and not really messy. It's just you gotta like make sure everything works properly. But I designed this whole system to limit updating stuff in the update function. So like this, I can probably move outside of update because once you unlock current research, or once you unlock the red flask, this only really needs to be called like once or twice ever. So, I love redoing UI. I swear, I just love refactoring. It's all I do at work. I just like, I see something, and if it pisses me off, I'll just like I'll just rewrite it. It's like, even if I wrote it, I will rewrite it probably like 5 more times. It may be unhealthy, but I just love it. I like trying to improve things rather than, or I like to rapidly try to fix things rather than just like spend a lot of time trying to make something perfect. I'd rather just like lay it all out and then improve it over time, or just improve it every hour, which is how I do it. Okay, let's see. So we have refresh crafters. What does this do? Oh, it just refreshes these. Hypothetically, I could move these two here. Therefore, this method becomes unused. And then I refresh the component when I unlock. What happens when I complete a research? Okay. I don't want to refresh this entire panel, though. Refresh. What am I doing? Crafting panel. Crafting grid? Yeah, I don't like the name, but we're gonna deal with it. So okay, and then I want to call that here crafting panel dot search. Let's see, what have you guys said? We'd all love to see you release this update tomorrow, of course, but if you want to do fun stuff, you do fun stuff. Yeah. Yeah, like as much, like, I hear this a lot, and I wish people really understood this, but software development is an extremely slow process. Like, if you want to create good software, good games, it's slow. Rushing things, which is like what happened to The Last of Us, or whatever that game was called. It was extremely rushed, and it just completely failed. You know, that's what happened to like crypto clickers, and I research a lot. It's like I had these rapid updates, and it would just break something, and I'd have to go back, fix it, do all this build stuff again, and then I would have to update it, and then just to find out that I broke something else. So yeah, I'm just going very slowly just to make sure everything is like perfect, because I get a lot of bug reports now, and if I can just limit that, that will just make me happy. Oh, I have one more. Oh yeah, chapter 1 complete. Oh, that doesn't do anything. Complete chapter. If the current chapter is selected, then I don't know about that. Oh. Cool. Selected chapter is 0, and the current chapter is 1. I think I need to set it so that... Yeah, that looks right. Yeah, I mean, it's agile. It's, you know, working for a pretty massive software company, I've come to realize that software development is just so slow because there's so much, like, you do your work, but then you also have to have meetings, you gotta, like, deal with product, reviewing your stuff, and you just have to do all these little things that just slow everything down. But it's also just to keep everything very organized. But, yeah. Why? Why? Why are you not working? Why are you not working? Why are you returning? So, let me do this math. The selected chapter is 1. No, it's 0, and the current chapter is 1. We should be okay. If the current chapter is not equal to this... No. Because what if it's already completed? Can't move on to the next one without it. Oh, wait. Select the chapter. Wait a minute. Oh, that's actually okay? I don't know, man. Yeah, I'm very lucky because I just hear some horror stories about other code bases on the other teams on my at my company. And mine, I wouldn't say it's good, but it's also not absolutely terrible. You know. And I'm trying to like make things better myself, but I obviously have other smaller things I gotta worry about. Oh, why is this still not the right notation? It's messed up. Okay, what? That's weird. Also, another thing is that like some developers fall into this trap where if you try to like rewrite something that's bad that you think is bad, you'll eventually figure out why it was written that way in the first place, and you'll just go back to where they were. So yeah, sometimes code bases really restrict good code. There's just a lot of caveats to making changes. All right, complete. Yeah! Chapter 0. It's not what it's supposed to say. Selected chapter. Do I have my Roman? Give me my Roman. Infinite power. Also, I'm playing cookie clickers. Don't at me. Portal. Oh, let's go. I have a portal. Let's go. All right, on task. So that works. This should turn. Why is this like what? Why is it this color? That is weird. Oh, this is the fill. Set fill. Man, Copilot's being dog shit. What is this? It's supposed to do this for me. I might need a restart. Or will this work? Okay. I had to have my Wi-Fi go down all day because they were upgrading to like 10G or something. I don't even know. Nothing I care about. But it was just having problems all day, so. Seems like we're chilling now, but looks like I need to refresh this. Yep, I think Copilot's amazing. It just, like, just look at this. Like, it just saves you so much time. Ready? Let's see. Oh, set label, not really what I want. But if you do just, if you type some things, you know, it'll do pretty good. It just saves you a lot of time. And now I'm going to see if this happens on its own. Set fill active. It's thinking. What if I do this? Private, no, I have it at the bottom. Private bool is chapter unlocked. Sure. And now, oh, wait a minute. I don't want this. Wait, is chapter unlocked? Is chapter completed? Is chapter completed? This is interesting. Oh, wait, what is completed? Oh, wait a minute. I see now. So this guy is, I'm gonna grab my blackboard. So if the selected one is 0, 0, and our current chapter is, what is our current chapter? Current chapter is 2. 2. So we can say that completed. So 1 is completed. So if ID is less than current, I think, oh, that's literally it? So current minus 1. So the current, wait a minute. Big brain, big brain. Oh my goodness, I can't think of this. So I have 0 completed. And I also have 1. I need to find a way to like restream my iPad to the screen so I can just draw on that instead of have everyone see. Current. And so we say this is 1 and this is 2. So if ID, so now what if we just have 0 current 1. All right, I'd love to say I have school tomorrow. Oh, school. Boo. All right, have fun. Have a good rest of your night. And thank you for stopping by. Oh, so close yet so far. I don't understand why schools gotta have breaks like that end 3 days before Christmas. Like that just blows my mind. Is today? Today's Thursday. It's like I've been out since like the 13th. Like students should at least get a 1-2 week break before Christmas. Maybe 1 week would be good. I think 2 weeks would be better. So if ID plus 1 is less than current complete. I like that sentiment. So we have the is unlocked, and then we also have the is complete. You know, this should be like common sense, but whatever. This can be static. Beautiful. And then we also want to set the color or the sprite to green. Oh my goodness, it does it all. Oh, it almost does it right. Wait, no. So the default is the panel blue, and then we want the panel green. Yes. Thank you, Copilot, for saving me 2 seconds. Oh, that is not right. Why does it say click to complete? Oh, this is backwards. And the fill is active still? Oh. Oh, I need to get rid of this animation, I just realized. This one. I've seen it a million times and I'm tired of it. Perfect. This should go in the controller. Right here. If chapter is chapter completed, selected chapter completed or else. Man, a lot of people are going to hate this. All right. Cool. Oh, my settings is last. That's why. I'm going to move this to here. Nope. First. Perfect. Wonderful. Oh my god, that scared me. I need to turn that down. Alright, so now I have chapter 1 complete. I can work on chapter 2. So I unlocked this. Nice. And I need to buy 8 crafting slots. I think it's just one more. Buy an upgrade from Diamond. Oh man. All of these I can't do yet. I can do these 3. I can't do any of the core ones. Because Daily Solitaire still doesn't exist and the Diamond Shop hasn't been remade yet. So. Looks like I'm going to have to start finding something else to do. Unless I set these all true. I have to do a diamond shop because I forgot I balanced the game around free diamonds. So yeah, so I need the achievements. Visit tasks, chapters, unlockables, guide, settings, and AFK mode. So I only have actually have 3 of these actually made. So I guess what I can do next is just keep making these little fancy panels. Should be pretty easy. So I have to do the same thing for this guy. Canvas group. Animator. Animated pop-up. Animated pop-up hide. Okay, I think that is all I need to do. Hopefully. Yeah, let's wing it. Oh, jeez. Can't close it. Okay, that is... Why are we getting stuck? Hide. Oh, okay. I see. That's the unfortunate part. I'm gonna have to create this little animated pop-up every single time I have a little pop-up thingy. So wait, why does this button work? Close. Oh, it just calls the hide button. Oh. Okay, I'd rather be consistent here. Just drop something on my foot. Okay, test. Epic failure. One more thing I forgot to do. You know, what I might actually do is, on awake, I'm going to, actually on start, I'm going to do animated pop-up equals get component of, nope, get component, there we go. And I'm gonna make this a private, and I'm gonna do the same thing here. Make this private. This will just make this automatically happen. I'm gonna reorganize. Cool. Ah, yes. Feels so good. Nice. Okay. Yes. Alright. What's the move? What do I gotta do? I can't unlock any new content because I'm blocked by chapter 2. Oh, wait, I don't have any... Oh. I don't have any chapter related metadata here. Okay. Cookie clicker. Okay, so I need to fix my chapter thingy. Resources, game, objects, chapters, no lore. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, so we have our chapters metadata. This is not updating. Oh, wait, this is cool. I've never seen this before. Oh, my goodness. So our header title should say... Oh my goodness. Chapter 2 lore, but it doesn't. And the description, no lore. Yeah. Oh, what? Oh. Wait a minute, that works. I'm a goof. This panel doesn't work, so that's just the info panel. I don't have a title yet. Okay. Lower panel. That's... Okay, why does it not say anything? On open, we need to refresh the panel, and on refresh, I need to update this text. Dot set text. Chapter task metadata dot name dot by. Name and by. So this is the name and the by. So I only need the name. That looks right. Yeah. Land of the shiny. No lore. Cool. I don't like this little gap action I got going on. Looks kind of weird. I'm just gonna stop messing with UI and do something actually important. I don't know what I need to do though. Alright. Let's see. Let's take a look at my giant commit. Oh, the horror. This is really bad. But I don't care. I'm gonna keep, data migration. I forgot, I'm supposed to be testing the new data system. That's tedious. I don't want to do that now. So I guess I can work on Diamond Shop. Or you know what? Let's do solitaire. Let's do some solitaire action going. I need a confirmation for when I click on the solitaire button. Which is easy. I can just copy and paste my lore. It's very simple. Solitaire confirmation. the daily solitaire game mode. Your progress will be saved. And the game doesn't run in the background. However, your game will be saved. Cool. What is that? All right, so it's time to follow industry standard user interface. At least try to. -50 plus 25. No. 12.5. And plus 12.5. That's too much. Plus 10. Plus 75. 50. Plus 10. Plus 10. So let's see. User interface dialogue practices. So we want something like this. I need a, do I even have a solid purple? I don't. Plus 10. I need to create templates for, you know, generic stuff like this because what Google Material does, or yeah, Material, they have like, oh shoot, that's not what I want. They have like all these patterns, and like this is all like HTML and CSS, but like it makes it so easy. So you can add a button at the bottom of like a dialog pop up like this, and automatically like you can say, hey, I want it to be at the end, and I want it to be at the bottom part of this dialog part. So right now I have to do that by hand, and that's kind of, it can be kind of tedious and can lead to inconsistency. Cancel. Play. That looks pretty good, I'd say. Label. But yeah, generally you want to always have more than one way to exit a dialogue like this. Like I have this X button, I have the cancel button, and you can click on the background because everyone has different habits. So, like even for the lore and stuff, I should probably be doing this as well because, you know, some people are used to pressing the cancel button on the bottom right corner, or some people are used to closing windows like with this, with the top right corner close button, like, you know, these. Or they expect clicking on the background will just deactivate it. So I'll do all this kind of user interface study in the future. Hey, how's it going, Beyblade? It's good to see you. I'm just yapping about web design or just UI design practices. Doing well, good to hear. All right, I'm gonna have some tea. Just a little bit of tea. Sweet. Raspberry tea. Good to hear. It is a bit bitter. Cool. So I have this confirmation, so when I click on the solitaire button, I want to open this bad boy up. So cancel. Maybe I should really, no. I'm just gonna have a solitaire component. And I'm gonna copy this lore panel. Panels. Bam. I'm gonna rename this to Control R. Solitaire confirmation panel. I also think I need to make a new type because this is just a game panel, but I think I need to make like a generic type, or maybe not a generic type, but an abstract class called game pop-up or panel pop-up or something, because all the pop-ups generally do the same thing. So yeah, like some of this logic is just very repetitive. Like as you can see, I just copied and pasted another class. Sorry, my voice is like dying. And like I can get rid of some of this stuff, but generally like the open and close mechanism is going to be the exact same. So yeah, the only difference here is I'm going to add another method called void play. And this is going to go to solitaire, save game, go to solitaire, save game, close dialog, go to solitaire. So we'll hit the close, and then we'll hit the, I don't even know, how do we save again? Oh, wait, is it cathedral dot save? No. How do we save? Is there like a save system? Save service dot save current data manager, right? That seems right. Oh, yeah, cool. So we save the game, we close the dialogue, and then we somehow go to solitaire. Solitaire. I don't even... Does all of my logic for solitaire still exist? I do. And then scene dot. Sample scene. I need to change this name. Solitaire. Bada bing, bada boom. Fairly simple. Oh, wait a minute. I might... I really need... Oh my goodness. I need to start having like an asynchronous option. So public static async void save current data manager async. Await save async. For a man, my brain can't handle code at the moment due to being sleep deprived. That's fair enough. I get it. Yeah, sleeping will help you solve your problems, so yes, please rest up. I do appreciate you stopping by, though. Public abstract void save async. Yes. Local save async. Hold on, please. Abstract async. Oh. I have no knowledge on using asynchronous stuff. So I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to help me out here. Help me replicate TypeScripts, JavaScripts, observable in C#. I want to create a method that saves data, and when it's done, I want it to continue with the rest of the code. Unless this isn't a problem, because yeah, I'm not really sure how this. Yeah, let's see. Task. That's what I was thinking. So, async. Nope. Oh wait. This needs to be async. A void is not. Oh, that's right. Async task. Why are you mad? I'm gonna have it finish this for me. Save async. Help me finish. Oh, shoot. Here's this. Oh, write async. Ah, I didn't think about that. Is this an async task? Yes. I guess we don't need to close this. And we also need save current manager. Hey, what's up, B? Save async. How's it going? Can you work? Oh, wait a minute. I need to fix this. Task. Can I get rid of this? Gets a value that indicates whether the asynchronous task has completed. Okay, well, I'm just gonna try. Oh shoot. Not implemented. Not implemented, I'm so sorry. So we have our header, the lore title, we don't need that. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Don't need any of these. Background, pop-up, close. Background, the head. Oh. Close, cancel button. Wrong one. Cool beans. So now I have to go with my navigation manager. Daily solitaire. So when I click this, I do not want the solitaire object. Do I have it? Solitaire. Daily solitaire. Simulations. Oh shoot. I'm getting yelled at for playing music. How dare they? Confirmation. Oh, I love Copilot. See how satisfying that is? All I gotta do is enter, delete, enter, tab. No, I guess not. Solitaire confirmation. No. Dot show. Oh wait, is open? There we go. Let's try it. Will this work? Probably not. Cool. Okay, that was worth a shot. The animated pop-up. It never... It's because this is not this hasn't been called yet. I need to do this in the awake because this occurs. Let's see. That's weird. Why is this the only one it's happening to? Oh, and I can't exit either. That's just lovely. Still. Does this component have a... Yes. So why are we getting angry here? Oh, I know why. It's because we never called this. This is just never called. So I have to call it in here? Holy cow, that's a lot of junk. Awake. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah. Get out. I don't like this. I guess for now, I'm just going to do it here. I'm not really a huge fan of it, but, you know, gotta do what you gotta do, I guess. Just going to do solitaire confirmation.awake. All of these other awake panels are called inside of the awake component, but we don't have a component for this solitaire confirmation panel. It's its own thing. So my design choice was that we have components and then we also have panels. So it's kind of hard to display a solitaire component because it doesn't actually exist in the scene. The solitaire thing is on its own. So maybe I can integrate it with the same scene. I don't know. Maybe I'll do that when I rewrite solitaire. But there is no component that is attached to this panel. So it's kind of its own floating thing. And Navigation Manager isn't really a game component. It's just a manager. So yeah, I kind of did that because I like being able to control when things are called. So there's like a flow. And if there was something in this awake panel that relied on something else, I need to make sure that that gets called before this confirmation because I could get a bunch of null reference errors and stuff. So this should be fine in this case, but in the future I am going to have to move this because it doesn't really follow my design pattern. So it should work though. And the others work because of I already called the awake panel for those because they belong to other components. Maybe I'm just not making any sense. Oh. No! Okay, I see why. Okay. No, I hate this. We have to do solitaire confirmation dot awake panel, and this is the start. And now we can replay and it should work. Finally. Man, this tea is very bitter. I've had it for a while. I don't know if it's any good. Ooh. That tastes kind of bad. I might have to... Ooh. Alright. Work. Let's go. It should not... Oh. Shit, this is kind of awkward. It closes all the other things. So what I might need to do... I have to create an exception list. Because daily solitaire is special. It's not like an ordinary. Ooh, I have an idea. Public static bool. This might be private. View unique string name. And what I can do is take this guy, take the name, and get rid of, oh, so I got daily solitaire here. Daily solitaire name. Get rid of all of these. Return false. And here we can return true. So now what I can do here is that if this is true, then we can return. So this is basically saying we don't want to mess with any of this because we've already called something unique. This open method should not close all of the other crafting panels, so it's the little things that matter. Cool, so it should work. So this opens the confirmation, good. I can close out of it. And if I hit play, it should close this, and it should save. I'm gonna double check that, make sure it saves. Okay, and it should switch to solitaire scene. Oh, that did not work. Okay, well, let's hope I didn't lose all of my data first before we continue messing around with solitaire. Okay, we seem chill. Cool. Okay. Oh, Basil, hello. I haven't seen you in forever. Thank you. I use ChatGPT. It took quite a bit of a whining. Yeah. It kept spelling things wrong because it doesn't know how to actually spell. It's just creating an image. So, but this one's pretty cool, but I don't know what all these screens are. Like, what's the deal with that? And this one's really sick, but also with all the screens, it's kind of weird. And then I just had it do a bunch of other weird things, so. Yeah. I had some really cool ones on this chat too, but I guess it doesn't want to. Oh. Okay, this chat history just doesn't exist anymore. Oh, here we go. Here's this one. This one is just absolute bizarre. Kids 7. I don't even know where I got that. Like, the flask itself looks really damn cool, but I started asking it to do more, and it just kept constantly spelling things wrong. It has no idea how to spell. It's quite fun. But I just love like the little 3D style that, or like this little style that it has. This one's really good. I love this one, but it's still messed up the spelling and it's offset. It's not centered, so this one's just really bad. D-Billy. Idle. This looks like Resurrection. Idle Resurrection. This one was okay. Oh yeah, this is just goofy. I tried so hard, but it just can't spell. It's kind of funny. Yeah. I don't know why I went on that tangent. So Hi, I was just wondering how much work has to be done for the update. It's been a very long time. I got a lot, honestly. As you can see, the entire game just looks completely different. I'm like redoing everything, pretty much. So, and I'm just scratching the surface, and I've been working on this for months. So, by the end of the year, maybe by the end of next year, I better hope so, because I don't want to work on this same update for 2 years. Um, so that works. What else am I meaning to do? Oh, wait a minute. It's this guy. The close. So, can I? ChatGPT, help me out. Actually, I'm just gonna show all of this. Wow, thanks a lot. You make it so that the close call is also awaitable. That's more like it. Just finish my code, please. Here's all of my code. Finish it. Create coroutine. Why do I use these? I'm not a fan. I'm just gonna. What is this? This is not good. This is gonna be problematic, I can already tell. This is gonna be problematic. No, this is not good. I don't like this at all. Play close sound. Yeah. No good. Alright, Jippity. Oh, I can use 4.0 now. I spammed it a lot, and I used all of it, so... Fix this. Should be good enough. I know. Man, I'm getting yelled at for audio again. I I do not like this singleton thing. I know that's the right way, but I'm not going to deal with it. So we have open, close, play. Yeah. So this is fine. It's our pop-up that's problematic. System.interfaces. This is in the wrong place. Hide. What? This isn't even called. Try again. So we have open, close. Yeah, so all that's the same. This looks better. Satisfied. Cool. Cool. Now if I play, it should close, and then save, and then quit. Yeah, nice. That's exactly what I want. Oh, what do we got here? Sharing violation. Oh, that is not good. Not good. Not good, man. What? Okay. Well, the fact that it's inconsistent is also a problem, because if this is purely random, I forgot I can do that. Oh no. That's not good. I think a simple solution would just to bring solitaire to the actual game itself, but it doesn't happen that time, but it did the first time. I don't know why I can't replicate it. That's kind of, and that's frustrating, to be honest. That is frustrating. It should save and then close the panel. Maybe that's why. It could also be the fact that I'm trying to save twice at the same time. I just really hate this, because if that does happen, just if that's an extremely rare case and that happens, I don't want the person to like do something where they could lose their save. All right, so for doesn't block the calling thread. Instead, it allows the calling thread to continue executing other tasks while, oh wait. If you call the same asynchronous function from multiple places simultaneously, you need to consider potential concurrency issues and synchronization. Okay. You know what? Services, save service. Is this thread safe? Where the methods are being called from these contexts. Alright, so we have our first one here, and we also have a little save. Oh. At times where IO exceptions can occur. Ah, a save lock. I like the save locks. Save current data manager. So I have the static void. Okay. I forgot. I learned this in programming challenges. So oh wait, save lock. Oh, that's actually really cool. Lock. Wait, is that how it works? Oh. Save lock. Cannot await inside of a lock statement. Oh, epic fail. Cannot await in. Oh my goodness, I cannot type. Cannot await inside lock. Ah, you idiot. I don't like this. What the heck is it doing? You can't do this either. You're still, right? Yeah, you're still calling a wait unlock. You idiot. So maybe this will be fine. Unless I do the save locking in here. Because this is where, hold on. Do I want to do the locks here instead? I am going to, so this is the save service, right? Okay. Do we have a lock here? We do. So I'm just going to call this here and move the locks here. Lock, save lock. So I don't think this actually loads. I think this might be fine. Read player. Yeah, that looks legit. Cool. Am I thread safe now? Am I thread safe? You've placed locks around critical sections of code where shared resources files are. I don't care. I'm just gonna. Is this thread safe? Is it possible to get IO exceptions at all? Potential issues. Global state. As a static class, save service maintains a global state which can be problematic in multi-threaded environments if not handled carefully. Well, I'm not really doing anything multi-threading, technically, I think. Yeah. But it won't prevent external processes. Oh, that's fine. If you do that, then you're just screwed. Yeah, that's fine. This is also fine. Yeah, I should do more like exception handling, but I will deal with that once I add like more notification error support. But this should work. Beautiful. Just beautiful. All right. I don't want to work on solitaire. That's the problem. What is this? Can I delete this? It's currently solitaire kind of sucks. I might just remake this from scratch. I'm just not a fan of how the solitaire is on a completely separate scene. And I know I did this just to experiment with it, and then I eventually actually made this a feature, and I just never really considered it. Yeah. I don't really know. I kind of just want to make solitaire work for now, but I also want to make it good because a lot of people complain about the solitaire being really bad. So, I'm not sure. just one of those things that I just really don't want to like ever work on ever again. On the bright side, if I would do this, I can actually create a solitaire panel. Solitaire panel, yeah. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. Easy. Static. Oh, this is not going to be fun at all. I don't like complaining, but man, this solitaire feature is just, I don't like it. I get it's like something else to do, but like, I hate it. I'm gonna get rid of this header. How can we learn Unity? Well, you can just ask yourself, how can I learn something? Yeah, so learning new software, especially Unity, is a lot of work. Um, a lot of learning is just like doing research, watching videos, and also just messing around with Unity, just checking out every single feature and seeing what you can do. Um, I can't just tell you how to learn Unity. It's really subjective. Or, it really depends on the person. Like for me, it's simply just playing around with the Unity engine itself. So, yep. So this will be my panel solitaire. It's almost dinner time for me. Let's see. So, okay, I'm gonna have to see if I can open this scene. Oh, what the heck? That is weird. I don't know if I like that. Okay, so I'm gonna have a similar design to what I currently have. The nice thing is I can copy things over. I guess that's a plus. So this will be the solitaire button, solitaire buttons, and then we'll also have my solitaire deck. Yeah. Get rid of all of this. And this. I'm just gonna... This is so ugly. I'm just looking at it now. I'm just like, what was I thinking? This is just hideous. I know I was really lazy when it came to making this, but man. So we have our... Oh, wait a minute. This is just... Oh my gosh. Oh, wait a minute. I'm removing stuff. Discard changes. Okay, I gotta be careful. Oh, wait, I forgot about the multiplier. Pop-ups. Just gonna throw that there. And then the holder, we have our waste, stock, draw. Damn. Okay, whatever. That was... How does the solitaire even look? I don't even remember. Like, in action. Oh, I don't even have pictures for it either. Is it in the video? I like how it's just not even advertised on the front page, and yet it's just like people, that's all people like care about. It's kind of funny. At least I don't really have any specific resources. Yeah, just Code Monkey, I guess, is pretty good. It's a YouTube channel. Brackies. So this is the waste pile. And this is the stock. So I can probably put this guy. $57.5. This is just so weird how I set this up. What the? What? Why did I have a button on top of this? That is just so strange. I don't even know. I'm just gonna throw that there. Oh, I forgot. Oh. This needs to go over here. Yeah, 20. Then all of these. Why do I have them nested like this? I'm just gonna keep that there for now, and then I can just cry about it later. I'm just blown away on how scary this is. Like I'm just thinking of like all the work I had to do in order to get this to work. Oh, it's not fun. I don't even need the settings button here, I think. I can just hide that. And then end game now. I might put the score up here. Solitaire. Solitaire. Here. No, I don't like that there. Oh, that can go here. This looks alright. It's looking better already. But now I have to actually worry about... Oh, wait. Load. I didn't load everything. The background's pretty cool. I don't know if it'll be a thing, though. I'll think about it. Maybe I can just add it to this background. And my slider scroll. I don't love this scroll thing, but I might have to use it. Yeah, that's fine. What? Why are they like this? Why did it have the green border? Oh, I know why. Ah, box colliders. No. 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 I gotta make my own. I don't want to use their jank ass, not jank, but like overly complicated physics system. See, the problem here is that there's just not a lot of room to work with. I just might need to make these smaller. This is just awful. Okay. I hate solitaire. I hate solitaire. I might call it a day. This is a... Oh, okay. Sorry, I just got a weird email. Yeah, this seems like a kind of side task or a side quest that I have to complete on my own for a day because I really hate the solitaire system that I built and I'm gonna have to remake it. I guarantee it. I mean, let's see. Game solitaire. Yeah, I don't know. This whole like collision thing is just it's awful. It was pretty good for me when I first made this, but like all these Git components are just constantly being called and it's just so insanely inefficient. So, yeah. Also there's like the animations and stuff, so now that I have the animation thing figured out, I'm probably going to have to like rewrite that too. So, in conclusion, I do not like this entire solitaire system I created. I think it's really bad, and I can make it much better. So, yeah, that's where I'm at, and I'm going to call it a day. Thank you everyone for stopping by, and if you're still watching, thank you very much. I really appreciate you watching me go through my old crappy code and make it better. All right, have a good day, everyone, or night, whatever time it is, and I'll see you in the next one.